Animals come in all shapes, sizes, and lifespans. Some animals live for just a few days or weeks, while others can live for centuries. Here are 5 animals that can live for centuries. Greenland shark. The Greenland shark, Samneosus microcephalus, is a slow-growing, long-living shark that inhabits the cold waters of the North Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. It is one of the largest sharks in the world, with adults reaching lengths of up to 24 feet, 7.3 meters. Greenland sharks are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. They feed on a variety of prey, including fish, seals, and whales. These sharks have a number of unique features. They have a thick layer of blubber that helps them to retain heat in the cold water. They also have a slow metabolism, which allows them to survive for long periods of time without eating. They play an important role in the marine ecosystem by helping to control populations of other predators. They are also a valuable resource for indigenous communities, who have hunted them for food and other resources for centuries. However, Greenland sharks are also facing a number of threats, including climate change, overfishing, and pollution. Climate change is causing the waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans to warm, which is reducing the Greenland shark's habitat. Overfishing is also a threat, as Greenland sharks are often caught as bycatch in other fisheries. And pollution, such as plastic debris, can also harm Greenland sharks. It is important to protect Greenland sharks and their habitat. We can do this by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and reducing our use of plastics. Greenland sharks have a very long lifespan, with some individuals estimated to be over 400 years old. The red sea urchin. The red sea urchin, Mesocentrodus franciscanus, is a large, spiny echinoderm that inhabits the rocky coasts of the northeastern Pacific Ocean, from Alaska to Baja California. It is the largest sea urchin in North America, with a test shell diameter of up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters. The red sea urchin is a grazer, and it plays an important role in the marine ecosystem by keeping algae populations under control. Red sea urchins have a 5-rayed symmetry, with a spherical test covered in sharp spines. The spines are used for defense against predators, and to help the sea urchin move across the seabed. They also have a suction cup-lined mouth on the underside of their test, and 5 tube feet that they use to grip rocks and other surfaces. Red sea urchins are a popular food source in many cultures, and they are also used in traditional medicine. However, red sea urchin populations have declined in recent years due to overfishing and habitat loss. It is important to manage red sea urchin populations sustainably to ensure that they remain a part of the marine ecosystem for generations to come. The red sea urchin has a long lifespan of up to 200 years. Bowhead whale. The bowhead whale, Balena mysticetus, is a large baleen whale that inhabits the Arctic and subarctic waters of the North Atlantic and North Pacific Oceans. These whales are dark gray in color and have a distinctive white chin. They are also the only baleen whale without a dorsal fin. Bowhead whales are filter feeders, and they use their baleen plates to strain small organisms, such as plankton and krill, from the water. They play an important role in the Arctic ecosystem. They are a food source for polar bears and other predators, and they help to keep the ocean clean by filtering out plankton and krill. Bowhead whales are also culturally important to many indigenous communities in the Arctic, who have hunted them for food and other resources for centuries. It is the only living member of the family Balenidae, and it is one of the longest-lived mammals on Earth, with some individuals estimated to be over 200 years old. The rough-eye rockfish. The rough-eye rockfish, Cebus salutianus, is a slow-growing, long-lived fish that inhabits the deep waters of the North Pacific Ocean. It is one of the largest rockfish species, with adults reaching lengths of up to 97 centimeters, 38 in. Rough-eye rockfish are identifiable by the 2 to 10 spines that are on the lower rim of their eye. These fish are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. They feed on a variety of prey, including fish, squid, and crustaceans. They are also known to scavenge on dead and dying animals. Rough-eye rockfish play an important role in the marine ecosystem by helping to control populations of other predators. They are also a valuable resource for commercial and recreational fisheries. However, rough-eye rockfish populations have declined in recent years due to overfishing and habitat loss. Rough-eye rockfish are one of the longest-lived fish species in the world, with some individuals estimated to be over 200 years old. The Seychelles giant. The Seychelles giant tortoise, Aldabra gigantea hololissa, is a subspecies of the Aldabra giant tortoise and is the largest tortoise species in the Seychelles. It is a large, long-lived reptile that inhabits the islands of the Seychelles archipelago. Seychelles giant tortoises can reach lengths of up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet, and weigh up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds. They have a domed shell, a long neck, and 4 sturdy legs. These tortoises are herbivores, and they feed on a variety of plants, including grasses, leaves, and fruits. They are also known to eat insects and other small animals. They play an important role in the Seychelles ecosystem by helping to disperse seeds and control plant growth. Seychelles giant tortoises are threatened by a number of factors, including habitat loss, poaching, and introduced predators. However, there are a number of conservation efforts underway to protect these amazing creatures. Seychelles giant tortoises are long-lived animals, with some individuals estimated to be over 200 years old. They are also slow-growing animals, and they do not reach sexual maturity until they are around 20 years old.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our fascinating content.